From El Camino, this is Oside USD in 1 minute.
These freshmen at El Camino High School are learning about genomic sequencing. They are testing vegetables to pinpoint the contamination source that caused a food poisoning outbreak. This scenario is part of a lab experiment for the course CTE Biotechnology.
I've learned like a bunch of new equipment, like a micropipette, not knowing what those are, and now I'm able to use them regularly.
Biotechnology is the newest CTE pathway being offered at El Camino. It's an industry that is booming locally.
There's so many job opportunities in San Diego County in biotechnology, even in Oceanside with Genentech and Gilead, really walking distance from this high school.
Local biotech companies supply the class with kits and state-of-the-art equipment to give students real-world, hands-on experience.
We get to do like other stuff that the other biology classes don't really get to do. We learned how to read DNA, which I thought was really cool.
And that's your Oside USD in 1 minute.